So now I request Pratik sir to express his thoughts on this occasion. So guys, welcome him with a thunder of applause.
Many of you have told that teacher, we must respect teacher. But as a teacher, we do not require respect from you. We don't want respect. We want your dedication to your goal. That is, means a student is doing hard work and he is working very hard to achieve his aim. That is only the respect for our teachers. No teacher in this world want respect. They just want that their student should get success or that their student should get what they want. Okay, in this country, फ्रॉम आप में से किसी ने कहा था कि भारत को विश्व गुरु कहा जाता है, ठीक है. इट इज़ अ लीडिंग कंट्री इन दिस वर्ल्ड. ओके, सो बट व्हेन आई आस्क एवरीवन, नो वन वांटेड टू बिकम टीचर. फ्रॉम यू ऑल्सो, इफ आई विल आस्क यू who one want to become teacher, then there will be rarest to rarest 1 or 2 person. We all know that only teacher can change the world, can change everything in this country, but no one wanted to be the teacher, and this is only the problem. In this, we all know that only means in India there are major problems like unemployment, corruption, है ना, and all the solution of all this problem is only education. And this country only 2 persons spread education, that is teacher and student, no one else, है ना. All the student achieve their aim, achieve their profession, and they are busy with their work, but only the teacher spreads education in this whole country. I would like to give you one example. There was one person whose name was उनका नाम था विकास दिव्यकृति, है ना. You may have known. ये जो शख्स है विकास दिव्यकृति, इन्होंने अपने फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट में क्या यूपीएससी की एग्ज़ाम क्रैक कर दी थी फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट में, एंड ही बिकेम द आईएएस ऑफिसर इन वेरी अर्ली एज. बट as soon as he became the IAS officer, in very few months he resigned from his job, and he opened one institution, and his institution name is Drishti IAS, and he made around 2,000 to 3,000 people IAS officer, IPS officer, and IFS officer. That is the contribution of the teacher. This moral responsibility is important in the life of teacher. That person can do, means the person who became IAS officer, he is already successful. He do not want to resign. Even though he resigned, he realized that there is a need of a good teacher to make everyone a IAS officer, IPS officer, and this India want good IAS officers. So this type of teacher we want. This type of teacher can change the world. Again, I would like to remind you that whatever you may be a teacher or a student, that is, it doesn't matter. But one thing is very common in between them, and that is a dedication to the work. Nowadays, students are forgetting that they are thinking that if we got good teacher, our future is bright. But no, this is not true. Because after all, your success is not depending on your teacher. It totally depends on you. Your teacher can just show you the way of success, but to enter in it or not, it is totally depend on us. Okay, so only reminding these 2 points, I would like to end my speech. Thank you so much.